l'heure. Are you ready? Let's start now. So, let's take this simple and interesting example. So, you get this one. So, you will have the chance or the possibility to use two options or two forms. The first one, il est. Okay, so we will use this verb être to introduce the time, and we will use this il form. So don't think of it like he, okay? But then that's the form that we'll use, okay? Il est 6 heures. All right, so heure, you write it like that. Remember, H is not pronounced, okay? So it goes like heure. Il est 6 heures. If you want to be more precise, you can use this morning word, okay? So it would be like in the morning, but then morning, okay? Il est 6 heures du matin. Okay, so in that case, you just want to insist on the fact that it's not in the afternoon, okay, but it's in the morning. Il est 6 heures du matin. Okay, so now another example, quite important, because normally French people tend to start to eat at that time. So, first option would be il est 12, okay, because that's the number, 12 heures. Okay, and then the other option, il est midi. Okay, so midi will be the expression we will use instead of this 12 heures. Okay, midi. Quite easy to pronounce. Il est midi. Okay, same thing here. We've got two options. The first one would be il est 15 heures. Okay, because that's the number. 15. Il est 15 heures. All right. And then the other option we would have is to use 3 instead of 15. Okay. And then we can put après-midi, afternoon. Okay. Il est 3 heures de l'après-midi. Il est 3 heures de l'après-midi. Okay, so first option, like the official one, il est 15 heures. Okay, and the less formal one, the one that maybe you will use if you're discussing with friends or colleagues, il est 3 heures de l'après-midi. Il est 18 heures. Okay, il est 18 heures. All right, so that's the number, 18, okay? Or then you can use this 6, okay? And in that case, when we use this 6 heures, we tend to think that, well, that's the limit. It's not really the afternoon, it's the beginning of the evening, so we use soir. D'accord? Il est 6 heures du soir. First option, il est 18 heures. Second possibility, il est 6 heures du soir. Okay? And now, il est 21 heures. So you don't say un, you say une. So 21, just because heure is feminine. So that's the reason why you've got to put this feminine form here. Il est 21 heures. All right. Or then the other option, il est 9 heures du soir. Il est 9 heures du soir. Okay. Here. Il est 24 heures. Okay, 24. 24 heures. Or then, il est minuit. Il est minuit. So minuit would be like midnight. Okay. Il est minuit. So now, if we want to introduce the minutes, les minutes, first option would be il est 17h10. Okay, keep in mind that in French we don't write minute here. Okay, just write 10. 17h10. Okay, or then il est 5h10. Il est 19h15, okay, 15, 15. Or then we've got the other option, it's to use this écart, écart. Il est 7h15. First one, il est 19h15, or then, il est 7h15. Il est 15h30, 30, or then, il est 3h30. Il est 3h30. And now, if we're going after 30, so, for example, here, we've got il est 7h35. So that's the first possibility, 35, 35. Okay, but then as in many languages, it's possible to say minus something. Okay, in that case, it would be 25. So you can say il est 8 heures moins, moins means minus, 25, 25. Il est 8 heures moins 25. Okay, and you can see that here as well, we don't use the minute word after. Just put the numbers. Okay, il est 8 heures moins 25. Il est 9h45. Il est 9h45. 45, 45. Or, other option, il est 10 heures moins le quart. Moins le quart. Il est 10 heures moins le quart. Il est 11h55. 55, 55. Or then, il est midi, remember, noon, il est midi moins 5. Il est midi moins 5.